Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick video showing you another type of floral design using a flat brush. This is the palette I'm going to be using, and I'm sorry I started doing a video and had to redo it because the dogs were barking. So anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and get started quickly here. I'm going to dip one side of my flat brush into one side of the purple, another side into the other color. I will list the items I'm using in this video down below the video as well as within the video. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of white to the petals. Again, I'm just doing some blending strokes, kind of blending them together here. Alright, so I'm going to start by doing just a few quick little, what I would say would be maybe some buds that are coming about. I'm going to put them up here. Just kind of intermix them up here. They don't have to be perfect or in any specific order for that matter. Alright, and I, if you notice, have switched the brush around where I'm doing dark on one side of the petals and then a little bit of light on the inside, just so you can see it. If you don't like switching them around, that's fine. Do whatever you like, whatever you're comfortable with. And then you can even add just like some little buds up here. You can make a pointer if you want. That's up to you. Alright. And then I'm going to go in here and then do, I'm just pressing down and pulling, bringing the brush back up. Pressing down, bringing it up, and pulling it back. Just very simple. Doing the same here. And it's a little bit harder when I'm not moving the palette around. I'm trying not to move it so that you can actually see when I'm painting. Let's go over this one a little bit more here. Whoops. Two heads there. The amount of pressure you place on the brush is going to determine the size of your petals, if that makes sense. And this is not any particular type of flower. I'm just doing petals, strokes, brush strokes kind of deal. And as far as the number of petals you have, doesn't matter. That's up to you. Now if you were trying to paint something more specific, go for it. Paint it however you want it. If you want to be precise, if you want it to look like a specific type of flower, then do it. And I reverse this one just to maybe give it a little bit more interest. You can actually reverse the brush as many times as you want if you want to make it look like the sun is reflecting off of it, there's shadows, that kind of thing. You can spend time figuring that out. That's totally up to you. And I might throw just one more in here. I think I'm going to go this direction here with it. Whoops. A little bit more. And just take your time and enjoy what you're doing. That's the main thing. Enjoy the process. And that's a shorter little petal there, but it's just because I'm running out of room. And I can clean it up, go back over this one. It's really nice when you're painting on a surface that can just be washed off if you don't like how it looks. Like I'm not really crazy about this petal. I want it a little bit more pointy. It'd be better if I could turn it, but I just don't want to mess up the camera vision Alright, got the petals in. Now I'm going to come in with my, so you can see all this, with my liner brush, and this, I'm getting new ones, so I'll be able to say, this is where I got these at. I believe it's a nail brush. I think I remember that it is. It's just an old brush. If you follow me, you know I use it a lot because I really like it, and it is very easy to paint with. Pull that one up that direction. You see with this brush you can just do some light, you know, whimsical kind of paintings with it. I'm going to go ahead and go up like that. And just putting, you know, some greenery around, because you gotta have your buds attached, right? I'm just sporadically dipping these brushes into the paint. There's just no, just have fun. That's all I want. When you're painting, just relax and have some fun. It doesn't have to be serious. Just do some fun little strokes. You can do backwards, you can do it up, down. It doesn't matter. However you want to do it. And if you follow me, you know I like leaves, so I'll be coming back over this and painting leaves. Alright, so let's go ahead and connect these. Let's do kind of one going this direction, this guy coming down here. Hopefully you can see all this. I think for the most part you can. Sorry if any of it goes off. I'm trying to get through this before my battery wears out, or runs out. Alright, so I'm putting my stem. This liner brush, of course, is making a very thin stem. If you want yours to be thicker, then use like the chisel of the brush is a good way to do it. But that's up to you. Alright, so then I'm going to go into the center. And I think what I'm going to do is use the Deerfoot Stippler and go into the brown I have on my plate and the yellow ochre, and then just kind of tap in here. Very simply. Come in here and just do like a fun little center. If you need more paint on your brush, just keep adding it. If you want it to be more precise, work with it. You can keep adding paint to it as you wish. I just like them to be kind of, I don't know, fun, loose. And they don't have to all be the same size either. Alright, so you can do that. Then if you want, you can go back in with the liner brush and maybe even go around it and do just some quick little pulls from it, you know, with the yellow. I do have green on the brush too, so keep that in mind. Yeah, just do some quick little pulls. You can do it, you know, up like that or away from it. Just kind of gives it a little bit of interest. Makes it stand out a little bit more. Doing it this way. If you don't like these, then don't put them in. And I'm just quickly doing this. You can take your time if you decide to do it. And also too, if you want to put any designs on the floral petals themselves, you can dot them, however you want to do it. I'm just going to leave them like this. Then I'm going to take my other flat brush, put one side in the Bumblebee, put the other side in the Hunter Green. Do my quick blending strokes, and I'm not real precise on these. Just not. Okay. So I'm going to just do some long leaves that come out. Kind of like I made the Kind of in a sense like I made the petals for the flowers, but not really. They're not identical. If you wanted to go different directions, you can do that too. Right now I feel like I have them all going the same direction. You can have them coming down. If you want to have them come down the stem, that's fine too. In most cases they probably would be going up a bit. And then I'm just going to do chisel edge on these, put some more greenery around the buds. Do the same with these. Let me come out here too. I don't want to leave leaves only on one side. So heavens forbids. Make those a little bit smaller. Like I said, I can get crazy with leaves, so I have to tell myself, okay, that's enough. Back away from the leaves. I think that's enough leaves. Alright, so what I'm going to do then is come back in with my little liner brush, stick them back into the greens again, go up. Now I can go up into some of these, up in, too much paint on my brush. Up in here, just put like a little stem going in, just very quickly to connect. And if you want to just come out with, you know, just some other little sprigs, and maybe even make them a different color so it stands out more, that's up to you. And there you have it. Pretty easy. Quick and easy. Doesn't have to be hard to be fun and to actually, you know, enjoy your painting. Now, another thing you could do, and I just thought that this was what I was picking it up, is for the little partial buds that are open, you could actually come in here and just do some little pulls like that, kind of to replicate what you might see on the inside of this once it opens. I'm not going to do that with the little ones, but just with those. And you can do dots, add dots, make it as colorful as you want. So I'm going to let you see this, and I'm running a little light sound bath in the background, so just sit back, watch this video, and relax. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and feel free to share this video. I would appreciate it. Until the next time, please stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one. See you then.